एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. Well, the pandemic has claimed a lot of things this year and we cannot just wait to set foot in 2021. But let us just be honest here. All of us are concerned about how the upcoming year will treat us. We all have our fair share of anxieties regarding 2021. But there is no need to worry much, as I'm here with a very detailed video consisting of all the important predictions for each and every aspect of your life. Also, viewers should know that this video concerns the folks belonging to the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Yes, I'm right here to talk about Sagittarius yearly horoscope 2021. So, without any further ado, let us get going with the predictions. First and foremost, I will begin with your professional life. So, Sagittarius career horoscope 2021. The predictions state that the year 2021 will bring favorable results for Sagittarius natives. You will attain success in your workplace this year and your co-workers and superiors will be highly supportive of you. During this time, you will be highly encouraged by your closed ones to move forward in your career, which will help you to make progress and incur wealth benefits. Due to the favorable placement of planets, January, May, June, August, September and December are the most auspicious months for you. At this time, you will become capable of working harder and completing every task or project before time. Along with this, Sagittarius job predictions indicate that the month of May and August seems to be favorable in case you are thinking of a job transfer or a job switch, because the planet Sun will transit in your 9th house. Apart from this, you will come across the opportunity to go overseas due to some work related matters during the month of November and also get benefited from it. You are likely to get promoted based on your work performance in the months of May and June. The year 2021, in accordance with the predictions or the Sagittarius Finance Horoscope 2021, which is our next segment, and it is going to bring multiple changes in the financial life of Sagittarius natives, because the whole year Saturn or Shani Dev will strengthen your financial life whereby staying in your 2nd house. This will lead to immense financial benefits and wealth gain. The duration from January end to July, the months of August, September and October will be very auspicious for you. This will be primarily due to the planetary transits proving to be favorable for you, as you can get lucky in this period. Also, there will be a recorded increase in your income. Therefore, your financial conditions will strengthen and you will get rid of mental stress. In the year 2021, Ketu, the grey planet, will be present in your 12th house all throughout the year. With this, frequent expenses can stress you out. A steady rise in your expenses by the end of December, according to the Sagittarius money horoscope, can make you worry. In such a situation, you will have to plan a strategy and spend accordingly. So, it would be better for you to save your money beforehand. Moving on, let us now talk about your academic life. So, Sagittarius natives will achieve immense success in the field of education. This year, they will reap the fruits of their hard work, because Rahu is in the 6th sign from your zodiac sign and it will contribute towards ensuring success in competitive exams. This auspicious condition of Rahu is going to prove significantly favorable for you. With this, Saturn will also conjunct with Jupiter in the 2nd house of your sign from the very beginning itself, due to which students who are preparing for exams are most likely to score good marks. If you are pursuing higher education, then the months of January from April to May and then September will be very auspicious for you. During this time, you will not face any difficulty in understanding each and every subject very correctly. Moving on, let us now talk about your love life. So, the love life of Sagittarius natives will get majorly affected this year. Even though you will be showered with love and affection by your partner, disputes will be clearly visible between the two of you. You will be over emotional and extremely sensitive at this time. You can even plan a trip in the month of February with your beloved. During this time, you will be seen making a lot of efforts to resolve each and every dispute by interacting with your partner. The presence of the planet Mars in the 5th house at the beginning of the year will lead to several conflicts in the love life of Sagittarius natives. The predictions also indicate that the months of April, July and September will prove to be the best for your love life. Apart from this, the month of March can with itself bring challenging situations and arguments between the two of you can increase. With this, you are required to control your temper and keep a tab on your words. You will have to remain attentive towards the fact that no third person must interfere between the two of you, otherwise things can really worsen. Moving on, I'll now talk about your health conditions. So your health will remain in a much better shape than the previous year. Although Shani Dev will keep throwing challenges in your path, you won't be suffering from any major disease or illness. Along with this, Ketu will aspect your 12th house, which can give birth to small issues such as fever, boils or cough. However, these instances will not impact your work. In such a situation, it will be better for you to protect yourself from any kind of infections. So overall, this year will be the best for you in terms of health. You are advised to visit an open, clean space for pure air and water whenever you have time. This will make you happy and fresh from the inside. Let me now tell you how will the lives of married natives turn out to be in 2021. So the predictions state that 2021 will be auspicious for natives who are married. In the initial months of the year, your spouse may face health related troubles, but you will be seen supporting them at each and every step of their life. This will help them form a positive attitude towards life and make substantial improvements. Love and attraction in your marital life will suddenly increase in the first week of January. In March, you will come across some opportunities to go on a trip with your family. Though this journey will be short, the closeness between you and your spouse will significantly increase. In such a situation, if you wanted to talk to your partner or seek any advice, then this time is the most favorable time. Lastly, I'll talk about your family life, which will undergo some favorable situations this year. Every kind of ongoing dispute in your family will come to an end this year. This will happen because the planet Saturn is in the 2nd house from your side and it is aspecting your 4th house, due to which the feeling of brotherhood and love between family members will increase. Religious programs and get-togethers will be held in the house, which will add to the overall ambience. The predictions also reveal that the conjunction of Saturn with Jupiter will work in your favor, following which you can decide to renovate the house. In case someone is of marriageable age within the family, there are chances of him or her getting married this year. With this, there are also chances of the arrival of any new guest in your household. So before wrapping up this whole video on Sagittarius Yearly Horoscope 2021, I would like to give away some really effective remedies which can make 2021 the year of your life. So what you can do is that you can wear Pukhraj gemstone of the best quality between 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on a Thursday in a golden ring in your index finger to attain auspicious results. Another remedy is that you can offer water to the peepal tree without actually touching the tree, and it should be done on a Saturday. Worshipping the banana tree on Thursday and offering chana dal to it also proves to be beneficial for you. It will be advantageous for you to wear a manikya or a ruby gemstone engraved in a copper ring before 8 a.m. morning on a Sunday. Also, adorning the tree facade or the Teen Mukhi Rudraksh can also incur favorable results if it is worn on a Tuesday. On every Saturday, you should donate mustard oil and sabut urad dal or pulses to the poor and needy people. So that was all you need to know about Sagittarius Yearly Horoscope 2021. I hope you have really liked the video and that this video proves to be really useful for you. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.